Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from PBLIN 411. Now we're gonna presenting our recent project for assessment, mid-semester assessment. Next. Our team identity is we have our client is Lionel Lumombo SSTM Mides. Our project manager is Gerson Joliver Parulian Tambun STRT. And my name is Satrio Aditya Christian. And my friend is Ahmad Dasuki Adianto. And then Muhammad Restu Fadilah. And then Rana Nadia Adam. And then Khanita Salma. Next, please. We're gonna explain what we actually do in this mid semester. For Dasuki.
Okay, we got a project idea as our start point where we started with a question like, what do we do? And to answer that, we start by one step that we call explore. In this step, we decide and we find idea together to find the reference that suit our targeted visual. Then we can finally move to the execute part where the magics happen. This phase is a heavy lifting phase for us. It is the way we turn the idea that we find before that we brain together into a 3D model with some precision, skill, vision, layer by layer, till we can finish and exhibit, which is our last phase. With serve and presenting, what did we just finish as a wall sequence. For that description to be more precise, I'll leave it to Restu. I'll
Okay,
leave it to
next I
Salma.
will explain the project description. So our project idea is to create 3D game assets for a city building simulator. The visual style we're going for is low poly, colorful, and a bit cartoonish, so it looks fun and not too complicated. The main concept of the game is about renewable energy, and players will be able to build and manage their own city, but using eco-friendly solutions. So instead of just building a normal city, they also learn how to make it more sustainable. Through this project, we want to combine fun visuals with meaningful gameplay so people can enjoy the game while also learning about environmental awareness in a simple and interesting way. For the next slide, it will explain by my partner. Next.
Okay, the next one is mood board. Here we are gathering the reference from a lot of resources. We also need to do a lot of research for this project because this project equal like in real life building and environment. So we need to be realistic. Even though the style is cartoonish, but we need to be realistic, like the places and the effect of the building and the pollution that they damage it and stuff. So all the team carrying all the mood board all over the internet and journal so we can continue our next step, which is modeling. Okay, next slide.
Okay, for the proof of concept slides, here we show to you all the implementation that we have developed so far. Uh, we can see here there is isometric. There's five isometric power plant in total, and we prioritize these power plants because they represent the core content of our game. That is renewable energy. In the development process, we use Blender and we apply techniques such as object modeling. Uh, we use modifier and nodes, and we learn to set lighting and camera so we can show to you about our object with this uh, nice visual. Moving forward, we plan to create more supporting assets and continue improving our work based on the feedback that we receive.
I think that's all that we can present that to you all. Thank you for listening and keep keep waiting for our next step. Thank you.
Thank you.